Cadmatic seems to be among the most easy to learn. It's 1995. Cadmatic was involved to automate the piping production. So they helped us to make links between the isometrics drawings to the NC bending machines we have on piping. But also when we started to make the hull classification drawings, we kind of stepped up and started the 3D process much earlier. Before we used to get 2D class drawings, but since we started working with 3D and class drawings in 3D model, then we have a much higher quality on the class drawings, and that saves times when we come to detail engineering. Ulstein Group, we are designing mainly, so far we have been designing the offshore vessels. The real big benefit, as far as I see it, is how easy it is to learn the software. We can take an engineer and train him for about a week, and then he's working operatively. So that's the best thing, I think. So easy to learn. I don't know all systems, but I've seen some systems, and it seems like Cadmatic seems to be among the most easy to learn.